just a second. Maybe we will just interview everyone. So what's their feeling about?
All right, let's do it in Russian, yeah?
Yeah, let's be in Russian.
Should we start with you?
So right now we are in Tamtor. We arrive here at late night, maybe at 1 a.m. That was a long way. So this is morning. We just got out of the building, and right now it's minus 52.5, I think.
So please.
Ну, приехали в Тамтор. И уже, да, уже чувствую себя настоящим таким заядлым туристом, тамторианцем. Ага. Тамторяне довольно-таки суровый люд, оказывается. Ну, первое впечатление, да. Там сидела такая тетка, которая сказала, что она говорила?
We said we need a telephone, and she said, so what?
So what? Ну, а мы говорим, мы приехали, типа, ну и что?
We arrived, so what? We need to call somebody. So
you are not in the city anymore.
All right,
you are
now,
in the village.
Now you, please. What do you feel? What do
I
you
see
think?
dead people.
Oh my God.
No, I have nothing to say. No.
Okay.
There's a beautiful around here, and so.
Спасибо. Thank you. Please.
Мороз, солнце, одно из лучших мест на планете. Ждем нашего водителя и поедем дальше.
Okay. Спасибо. Now you'd like to say something.
It is so beautiful here. I don't know, I have no words. Не знаю даже как. Я никогда не была до этого в деревне, просто очень красиво здесь.
Спасибо. Okay, now me. It's the first time that I'm in a colder temperature than 39. It's 52, and it is wonderful to be here.